Getting ready to go to the airport? Need to know what liquid you can take with you on the plane? Well, let me tell you about the TSA 311 liquids rule and how it applies to you. My name is Kat, your favorite travel curator, here with tips and tricks to make your travel life easier. So, the TSA 311 liquids rule is for each one passenger, you are allowed 1 quart-sized bag, and that bag has to contain all of the liquids that you want to take with you on the plane. Those liquids can only be 3.4 ounces or smaller. So when we're talking about liquids that you can take with you on the plane, we're thinking things like makeup, gels, creams, lotions. Anything that spreads really should be put into this container. So the container I'm talking about would look something like this. I got this on Amazon. Or, you can go to Walmart, Target. They have TSA approved bags. The Surefire TSA approved bag is always a Ziploc bag if you can't find anything else. But if you want something that is has a little bit of style or flair, TSA has approved a wide range of bags, so you can get them in a lot of different places. So you're not limited to just a Ziploc bag. But if you don't have a whole lot of money, Ziploc will do anytime. In terms of the containers that you use, you can buy trial-sized liquid items, and again, you can find those at any of these stores. Or you can also buy empty containers and fill those with the products that you already have at the house. So that way you're not buying a bunch of little bottles of things that you can't refill and reuse. So you got options, right? You got options. Also, if you would like to bring larger liquid items, you are able to do that in your checked luggage. So you cannot go on there with a full-size bottle of shampoo and some Jergens lotion in your hands on the plane. It's not going to happen for you. So make sure that if you have larger liquid items that you put those in your checked luggage when you arrive at the airport.